When you need to change your name on DoorDash as a Dasher, it's crucial to understand that you must update both your profile name and your tax information to ensure proper payment and accurate tax reporting. DoorDash provides three primary methods to initiate a name change. You can use the Dasher mobile app by navigating to Account and Personal Info, contact Dasher support directly, or access the online web portal through account settings. Regardless of which method you choose, you'll need to provide a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or state identification card. You'll also need legal documentation that supports your name change. This includes marriage certificates for name changes due to marriage, court orders for legal name changes, or divorce decrees when reverting to a previous name. As of 2025, DoorDash has significantly streamlined the name change process. The platform now features an enhanced mobile app interface, real-time document verification, faster processing times of just 3 to 7 business days, and improved security measures to protect against fraud while accommodating legitimate name changes. While the process has been improved, remember that changing your name on DoorDash remains a multi-step procedure that requires careful attention to both your profile information and tax documentation to ensure everything is properly updated. When you change your name on DoorDash, updating your W-9 tax form is absolutely critical. This form ensures your legal name is correct for all tax reporting purposes. Here's what a W-9 form looks like. This is the official IRS form that contains your taxpayer identification information and legal name that DoorDash uses for tax reporting. Your W-9 information directly affects the 1099 NEC form you receive each tax year. This form reports your DoorDash earnings to the IRS, so the name must be exactly correct. Here's the step-by-step process to update your W-9. First, download the current form from the IRS website. Then complete it with your new legal name, ensuring it matches your Social Security Administration records exactly. It's crucial that your name matches your Social Security Administration records exactly. Any mismatch can cause tax filing complications and delays in processing your forms. You can submit your updated W-9 through the DoorDash Dasher portal or by creating a support ticket. The portal method is typically faster and provides immediate confirmation of receipt. Timing is critical. Update your W-9 immediately after any legal name change to avoid tax complications. DoorDash is also implementing AI-powered verification and blockchain identity solutions to make this process faster and more secure in the future.